Hello, and thanks for tuning in to another episode of Al's Airguns. Hey, I've been getting a lot of interest lately in a couple of videos that I put out on the Ruger Mark IV, actually a Umarex clone of the Ruger Mark IV that we did a review on just a couple of months ago here. Been seeing a lot of interest in that, and I had it out the other day doing some shooting. And anyway, I thought I'd do a little more shooting with it tonight for those of you that are interested, and see just how well I can do with this brake barrel spring piston air gun. And yeah, let's go ahead and take some shots. Not doing too long. That's the one. Not bad. Doing all right. Take a look at that. Not too bad. Not an easy pistol to shoot well. Umarex, or actually the Ruger Mark IV, made by Umarex in .177. Spring piston brake barrel air gun. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one.